How to add voiceover in videos using text. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we will simply go to our browser. If you guys don't have Chrome, you guys can download it from Play Store. So simply click on Chrome. After that, here you guys will simply search for Love Voice AI. So I will simply search for Love Voice AI. Once I search for that, here you guys will simply click on that first website. Once we click here, you guys will see that type of interface. But before everything, you need to log in or sign up. For that, you guys will simply click on top right corner three lines, and after that you guys will sign up. Once you sign up, here you guys will see enter your text here to convert to speech. So simply we will paste our script. Now here we will simply paste our script. Also you guys can see language voice. So you guys can select the text language, and after that you guys can select your voice. Here you guys will see multiple voices, so choose your favorite. After that click on generate audio. Once we click on generate audio, our generation will be started. Here we go, our voice was generated. Let's play it.
Shop. When he developed the film, he saw a photo of his parents.
Once it's generated, you guys will simply click on download, and after that you guys can import that voice to your video. Thanks for watching.